Hi. I finally decided to go ahead and list the HP laptop. I do have it sitting over on the bed. I apologize for the use of this camera again. The batteries are going dead on me. I hope it stays long enough for me to get this video done. But I did list it on Craigslist under free. Like normally, I always put, and yes, I did remove my address off the map and everything. Like all the laptops I give, there are requirements. 1, you must live in Missoula, Montana, surrounding area. 2, you must be low income. 3, you must not already have a laptop or PC. 4, you must be willing to come to pick this up. And this is a new one I put because I'm tired of people coming to get these and then listing them for sale after they get them from me, which is 5, you must agree to let me record you getting this on video to upload to my YouTube channel. Because I'm really tired of people getting these and then just, selling them or pawning them. 6, you must agree to not sell or pawn this laptop. You must also agree that if you get another laptop, you will donate this to someone else that needs one. 7, you agree that you will show up and get it on time and the day that we agree. If you're a no-show, I will give it to someone else. I have held numerous things for people for up to 2 weeks, and they never showed up. Or they finally showed up. Now, 8, I'm not sure if I skipped 7 or not. If you have kids want games or cartoons installed, you need to let me know a couple days in advance, and then we can discuss this. 9, if you want to reinstall Windows 7 or upgrade to 10, you will have to let me know so I can delete and recreate the partitions on the hard drive to make it a blank drive. I will not install Windows 10. You have to jump through so many hoops through Microsoft. I was actually going to do that, and I'm like, wait, they want this information, this information, this information. There's no way I'm giving Microsoft all this. 10, if you want to take it with the dual boot of Linux Mint and Windows XP installed, you'll have to spend about 20 minutes with me so I can go over how to use Linux with you. Don't be afraid to use Linux. It's not that hard to use, but Linux is not Windows. And then I put all these requirements must be met for you to get this free working laptop. Of course, unless they already know Linux, they don't have to spend time with me. They can just get it and leave. Then we're talking about the specs of this. 250 gig hard drive, split between Linux and Windows, i3 processor, DVD writer, no spots or bad places on the screen, battery seems to hold the charge, and it comes with a charger. Linux already has web browsers installed, so you can go online, go to YouTube, whatever, and has a working Wi-Fi card. Then we're talking about me, and I say I'm just a guy that tries to find laptops that are either working or not working and clean them, try to fix them, make repairs to them to get them working right in order to donate to people in need. I'm no way an expert, but I do my best. I used to do the same thing with desktops, but I just don't have the room to store desktops. I have already given away a few laptops, which is true, but this one is one by the far better ones that I'm giving away. And that's true too. The only other one that I would say that is just as good to me, if not better, or on the same par as this one, would be the other Dell E6500 that I had that I gave away. That one hummed beautifully. And I tell these people this has a newer processor, an i3 that can be upgraded to Windows 10 as is. I usually want people to pick these up on Saturday or Sundays because my girlfriend works long hours those days and she's not home and she doesn't have to deal with it. But since tomorrow is Christmas, and if you have a child and you're wanting this, I'll make an exception and let them pick it up today. I also said I do take donations of older laptops, working or not, to clean and try to fix to give to other people in need. And if you watch this, get this from me, and you watch my video on YouTube, if you want to install Windows 7 or Windows 10, you need to watch the video, and I have my link to how to enter BIOS. Then I say, I will delete this once the ad is gone. Alright, that is something that I actually screenshot. But what I'm going to do is, the reason I did that is I really don't want my address being out there everywhere. But I'm going to go ahead and go to my local Craigslist, and it's right there. So yeah, I do this for people. I don't get paid. I don't get anything in return. Um, and like I said, I mean, some people have just got me so upset. I almost stopped doing this, but I decided to go ahead and just take care of this and let someone that needs it get it. And when they come to get it, I will of course record it. I will probably use my large camcorder. The batteries are pretty well dead on this. I'm completely out of batteries, and it doesn't work well in the house. So I will probably upload that when somebody comes and gets it. I just listed this like an hour ago, and it's 3:18 p.m. and tomorrow is Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone. Anyway, I'm fixing to go. I just wanted to show you what I'm fixing to do, or what I have done. Of course, I have listed the laptop, like numerous others I've listed, and I wanted you to see for yourself. I'm, not pulling your leg. I actually do this. I get my hands on laptops, try to fix them, rebuild them, clean them, and I do donate these to people in need. So, anyway, I hope everyone has a nice and great Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. And like I said, everyone have a good day. Bye.